Narendra Damodar Das Modi, born 17 September 1950, is an Indian politician who is serving as the Prime Minister of India since 26 May 2014. Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and is the Member of Parliament MP for Varanasi. Cow tipping is the perpetrated activity of sneaking up on any unsuspecting or sleeping upright cow and pushing it over for entertainment. The practice of cow tipping is generally considered an urban legend and stories of such feats viewed as tall tales. The implication that rural citizens seek such entertainment due to lack of alternatives is viewed as a stereotype. The concept of cow tipping apparently developed in the 1970s, though tales of animals that cannot rise if they fall has historical antecedents dating to the Roman Empire. Cows routinely lie down and can easily regain their footing unless sick or injured. Goodbye.
Today, we are diving into a fascinating Python project where you can abstract summarized information from Wikipedia in real time. You are curious about who is Albert Einstein or what is Python programming. This script has got you covered. Not only will we build the program, but I will also show you how to expand it with features like detailed summarize, error handling, and even a voice-based interface. Let's get started. Before we jump into the code, let's set up everything we need. First, ensure Python is installed on your system. If not, head over to python.org and download the latest version. Next, we need to install the Wikipedia library, which help us access Wikipedia data efficiently. Open your terminal and type pip install Wikipedia. If you are planning to add voice functionality later, also install PyText3 for text to speech and speech recognition for speech input. Done. Perfect. Let's move to the coding part. Now, let's start coding. First, import the Wikipedia library and create a function to abstract summarized information based on user input. This simple function asks the user for a query, abstract a two-sentence summary from Wikipedia and handle common error like ambiguous queries or missing. Let's run this and see how it works. Let's enhance the script with some advanced feature. We will add options for more detailed summarize, a loop to allow multiple queries without restarting the program, a voice-based interface for both input and output. Let's start with the option for detailed summary. Now, for the fun part, let's make this program interactive with voice. For this, we will use the speech recognition library to take voice input and PyText3 for text to speech output. Let's test this out. I will ask,
welcome to the Wikipedia fetcher. Elon Musk is the CEO or owner of multiple companies including Tesla, SpaceX, and X Corp, and has expressed many views on a wide variety of subjects, ranging from politics to science. Musk has often been described as libertarian, but also describes himself as politically moderate. Goodbye.
this makes the program much more interactive and fun to use. We have built an amazing program that abstract summarize from Wikipedia, handles error, and even take voice commands. You can further improve it by adding GUI support using libraries like Tincter or integrating it with a chatbot. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow coders, and don't forget to subscribe for more Python projects. Comment below with your suggestion. Thanks for watching and happy coding.